Hi, I am Abhijaya Patil, an educator on Unacademy. You can follow me on Unacademy by downloading the Unacademy learning app, where you can find my other courses as well. In this video, we will look at some MCQs on one-word substitution words beginning with the alphabet G. So please rate, review and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our Unacademy YouTube channel. The subscribe button is just below. So our video is titled Quiz Test Your Knowledge, and you're watching this with me, Abhijaya Patil. This is a link to my Unacademy profile. So you can go to this link to watch my other courses as well as follow me on Unacademy. If you like this video, then please do rate, review, recommend and share it. Now in this quiz, we will look at questions on one-word substitution words beginning with the alphabet G. So let's start our lesson. Let's look at the first question, which is, a natural hot water spring is called. Options are boiler, jacuzzi, hot tub or a geyser. So the answer for this question is D, geyser. A natural hot water spring is a geyser. A boiler is an apparatus used for heating water. A jacuzzi is a large bath with a system of underwater jets of water to massage your body. And a hot tub is a large tub which is filled with hot water, and it's used for physical therapy or relaxation. So the answer for this question is D, geyser. Next question is deliberate killing of a large number of people. Options are felony, genocide, galaxy, other. So the answer for this question is genocide, deliberate killing of a large number of people. Felony is a serious crime such as murder or armed robbery. Galaxy is, well, your Milky Way galaxy and other galaxies that are present in the universe. So the answer for this question is B, genocide. Next question is one who eats a lot. Options are overeater, glutton, binge eat or all. So the answer for this question is D, all, because overeater, glutton and binge eat are all synonyms of each other, and already told you all while we were discussing the word glutton that the synonyms of glutton are overeater and binge eat. So the answer for this question is all. Next question is a person who can be fooled or duped easily. So remember, duped is a synonym of deceive or fooled. So a person who can be fooled or duped easily. Options are gullible, gangster, prodigy and gratis. So this is a quite easy question. The answer for this question is A, gullible, a person who can be fooled or duped easily. Gangster is a member of a gang of violent criminals. Prodigy is a person who has exceptional qualities or abilities, like a genius. And gratis is without payment or free of cost. So the answer for this question is gullible, a person who can be fooled or duped easily. The next question is the study of the Earth's structure, surface and origins. This is also quite easy. Let's look at the options. Ecology, biology, genetics and geology. So the answer for this question is obvious. It's D, geology, the study of the Earth's structure, surface and origins. Ecology is the study of living organisms and their relationship with their physical environment or their surroundings. Biology is the study of living organisms. It's a vast subject and several other categories fall under biology. And genetics is the study of heredity and how inherited variations occur and pass on. So the answer for this question is D, geology, the study of the Earth's structure, surface and origins. Let's look at the next question, which is a storehouse for grain. This is also quite easy. Let's look at the options. Closet, armory, granary, other. So the answer for this question is C, granary, a storehouse for grain. A closet is a wardrobe or a cupboard, and it's so tall that a person can walk into this closet. And armory is a place where you store weapons. So the answer for this question is granary or storehouse for grain. Next question is a list of terms in a special subject, field, or area of usage with their definitions. This is also an easy question, but I've presented it in a way that it seems difficult. Let's read the question again. A list of terms in a special subject, field, or area of usage with their definitions. Let's look at the options. Anthology, catalog, glossary, and fable. So of course it's C, glossary. A list of terms with their definitions or a list of words with their definitions is a glossary. And I told you that it's like a mini dictionary, and it has only those words which have been included in the book. So the subject or the field or the area of usage. Anthology is a collection of poems or other writings which is published. A catalog is a list of items in a systematic manner. And a fable is a story with animal characters like the Panchatantra, which conveys a moral. So the answer for this question is C, glossary. Next question is an exceptionally intelligent person or one with exceptional skill. So this is also an easy question. So the options are buffoon, moron, imbecile, or genius. So the answer for this question is D, genius, an exceptionally intelligent person or one with exceptional skill. Buffoon, moron, and imbecile means a person who's foolish or stupid. So they are synonyms of each other. Buffoon, moron, and imbecile. So the answer for this question is D, genius. And last question. A large mass of ice which moves down a mountain valley. Options are snow, avalanche, glacier, or other. So the answer for this question is C, glacier, a large mass of ice which moves down a mountain valley. Snow is well your snow. And avalanche is it's a mass of ice, snow, and rocks which move down a mountain slide rapidly. So it's like a snow slide. So that is an avalanche. The answer for this question is C, glacier. So with this we come to the end of the quiz. I hope you all liked the quiz and thank you for watching it. I hope you got most of the questions right, or I'm hoping that you got all questions right. For any questions, suggestions, doubts, feedback, please mention those in the comment section. And if you like this lesson, please do not forget to rate, review, recommend and share it so that more and more people take this quiz and are able to judge if they are thorough with all the words that we've covered till now. Stay tuned for more. Bye.